It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Wednesday, the 11th of January. I'm James Spann. The warming trend rolls along this week. Maybe a few showers around today, but the big rains will stay west of the state for a while. And when will cold air come back? We got a long way to go this winter. Here we go. This is the upper air view 500 millibar chart. That's a wind flow about 18,000 feet off the ground. That's the balloon data from last night from OZ, and you can see a pretty good shortwave coming through the Great Lakes. Other than that, it's a fast zonal flow, and you can see ridging beginning to form over Florida. Early this morning, some light rain on radar, mainly over the northern third of the state. Places like Moulton, Decatur, Gunnersville, Fort Payne, Rainsville getting some rain. And we could see a few showers down to I-20, but rain amounts should be light and spotty today. No freezing roads this morning. Upper 50s, low 60s on the board. Birmingham at 59. We'll be in the upper 60s later today. A lot of clouds around. Nationally, very cold up north. Montana, the Dakotas, Minnesota. It's going to be a battleground between that air mass and the mild air mass we have in coming days, but I think for us, the mild air wins the battle in the short term. Some winter storm warnings still in the western states. Looks like the Sierra Nevada is still under blizzard warnings. The east is relatively quiet. Convective outlook, no severe weather expected today, maybe some thunder north of the state. Rain for the next 7 days. The big numbers will stay west of the state as the ridge shunts the main rains over Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, West Tennessee. And this is valid through Wednesday morning of next week, and you can see in our state the amounts taper off greatly with maybe well over 1 inch for the shoals down to very little for the southeastern counties. And this could be messy. This is the chance of freezing rain Friday and Friday night. And from the panhandle of Texas up the parts of Oklahoma, Kansas, Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio. That could be problematic, as you'll see. But thank goodness we're not dealing with that this Friday. Here we go, model fans. The GFS, the 06E run, valid today at noon. Again, for us, a zonal flow and a lot of clouds around. We have a stalled surface boundary north of the state. And we'll mention a chance of scattered showers. Nothing widespread, nothing heavy, and the high should be in the upper 60s today. Tomorrow, the ridge strengthens. The chance of a shower very small. The sky cloudy at times. The high should be right around 70 degrees. This is Friday. And again, as the ridge strengthens, I think most of central Alabama will be dry and very mild. The GFS showing a high of 72. Better chance of rain holding to the north and west. Same thing Saturday. A dry day, a very mild day. The GFS showing 73. Last Saturday, we were slipping and sliding on ice. This Saturday, we can go out and take a jog and enjoy it. Look at the anomalies, temperature anomalies. Yeah, buddy. That's a good 20 degrees above average down here. But again, not that far away. It's very cold up in the northern states. Sunday, we're still dry, very mild. Low 70s are likely. Nasty icing showing up over much of Kansas. That seems to be the bullseye on Sunday. Now, Monday, early next week, we've seen a lot of model madness with this system lifting out of the southwest, and we've got some new changes here. The surface lows near Oklahoma City, the better chance of rain around the Arklatex, and we're still dry and mild. And now even Tuesday, the ridge is holding. The GFS holds the rain west of the state. We have seen other runs that bring a pretty good batch of rain in here Tuesday. Well, not this one. And then a week from today, the shortwave passing to the north, and again, kind of a weaker system comes in here with a chance of showers maybe by the middle of next week. But it doesn't look like a big rainmaker. This is the end of the forecast period, the end of next week, Friday, the 20th. Big trough in the western states, and again, that looks fairly dry. It's a quiet pattern here for the next 10 days. Check the numbers. We do see evidence, perhaps, of a trend toward colder weather out there toward the end of the month. In fact, the CFS, the Climate Forecast System, kind of confirming that. These are the projected anomalies from the 26th of January through the 31st of January. So it looks like toward the end of the month, we will see a return to maybe some cold weather. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock today. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or on television, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.